All right, listen up. I'm about to share something with you that most people online aren't telling you about. While everyone and their uncle are out there busy chasing the same old side hustles, franchise deals, drop shipping, or crypto, there are real brick and mortar businesses out there making serious money in 2025. These are the absolutely, positively five best businesses to buy in 2025 that no one is talking about. Now, before we jump into it, let me be clear. This isn't a get rich quick pitch. These are real businesses. You'll need to show up, do some work, or hire good people to do the work for you. But the payoff, life changing, consistent income for years to come. I'm talking about businesses you can own outright. No franchisor breathing down your neck, no rules you don't agree with. You keep 100% of the profit. Sound good? Then let's get into it. Here's business number one, GLP-1 weight loss clinics. I can already hear some of you asking, hey, wait, I'm not a doctor. Can I own a weight loss clinic? Yep. In many states, private entrepreneurs and investors can own the business side, while licensed medical professionals handle the patient care. You handle the business, marketing, real estate, customer service, staff, and leave the medical side to the pros. Why is this such a hot opportunity in 2025? Simple. GLP-1 medications like semaglutide and tirzepatide. These aren't fad diets or magic pills. These are FDA approved medications helping people lose real weight fast. And here's the kicker, these medications aren't just for looks. They help prevent serious health issues like diabetes and heart disease. That's why more and more doctors are prescribing them. And that's why more and more people are paying big money out of pocket to get them. Here's a real world example. Let me tell you about Kayla. Kayla was a burned out corporate manager working 60 plus hours every single week, and she was miserable. She stumbled onto the GLP-1 weight loss clinic business while researching investment ideas. Long story short, she bought a small weight loss center in Texas with around $120,000. Within 6 months, she had doubled her monthly revenue. Within a year, she was bringing in $85,000 a month in profit, and she didn't even work there full time. She had a manager running the day to day while she handled the high level stuff. Does this happen for everyone? No, of course not. But the opportunity is real. And right now, there's still wide open space in cities across the US for independent GLP-1 weight loss clinics. Number two, med spa with laser treatments. The second business on our list is also in the beauty and health space. Med spas, but not just any med spa. I'm talking laser focused services, pun intended, like laser hair removal, skin resurfacing, and tattoo removal. Here's why. People want these treatments, but they don't want to spend thousands at a plastic surgeon's office. Med spas offer an affordable middle ground. Best part, you don't have to be a medical professional to own one. Just like with weight loss clinics, you hire the licensed staff, but you own the business. Revenue can range from 250 to over half $500,000 a year or more, depending on your size and market. Profit margins, easily 30 to 40% once you get rolling. And the real value here, recurring customers. Someone gets laser hair removal, they're likely to come back for skin tightening. It's an upsell machine. Three, self storage facilities. Now let's pivot a little. The third business is something way less glamorous but insanely profitable, self storage facilities. Why? Because no matter what happens in the economy, people always need storage, moving, downsizing, growing families, divorces, you name it. And get this, you don't need a huge budget to get started. You can buy an existing small facility for around $500,000 in some parts of the country. And with creative financing, you might only need 100 to 150,000 down. Self-storage is what the pros call a cash flow machine. Low overhead, no inventory, no major staffing headaches. You can even automate it with keypads, apps, and security cameras. That means passive income potential. Imagine making $10 to $20,000 a month without babysitting employees all day. Four, commercial cleaning businesses. Number four is a hidden gem, Commercial cleaning businesses, we're not talking about cleaning people's homes. We're talking about cleaning offices, warehouses, medical buildings, schools. Here's the beauty: this business scales easily. Start with a couple of accounts and a small team, reinvest your profits, add more crews, take on bigger contracts. The margins are solid, 20 to 30%, and commercial contracts mean predictable monthly revenue. You sign 6 month, 1 year, or even longer term contracts. That's steady, reliable cash flow. Another plus: you don't need a fancy office or storefront. Operate out of a small warehouse or even your garage in the beginning. And believe it or not, right now in 2025, there's a labor shortage in cleaning. That means high demand for reliable cleaning companies, especially ones that specialize in green cleaning or disinfecting services. Number five, niche studios. At number five, niche fitness studios. Now I know some of you are thinking, gyms? Really? But I'm not talking about big box gyms competing with Planet Fitness. I'm talking boutique fitness. Think yoga, Pilates, barre, spin, even boxing gyms. These small studios create loyal communities. People don't just go to work out, they go to belong. Here's why this works in 2025. Post pandemic, people want experiences. They want something beyond working out in their garage or staring at a treadmill at 24-hour fitness. And these studios charge premium prices. It's not unusual to see memberships going for $150 to $300 a month. Run it lean with class only schedules, and you can pull 30 to 40% profit margins. Once memberships fill up, you can sell merch, offer nutrition coaching, and upsell personal training. All right, let's recap. The absolutely positively five businesses to buy in 2025 that no one is talking about are GLP-1 weight loss clinics, med spas with laser treatment, self storage facilities, commercial cleaning businesses, niche fitness studios. Here's the question: which one of these fits your skills, budget, and lifestyle best? Not everyone wants to manage staff. Some people prefer low touch businesses like self storage. Others love interacting with customers and building a community, like in a fitness studio. But here's the thing: opportunities don't wait around. By the time most people catch on, the best markets are already taken, especially with GLP-1 weight loss clinics. Right now, that market is growing like crazy, but it won't stay wide open for long. If you're serious about owning your own business in 2025, here's what I'd recommend. Step one: do your research. Find out what's already in your local market. Step two: figure out your budget. Some of these businesses you can start with $50,000 to $100,000 down using SBA loans or seller financing. Step three: talk to people already doing it. Find mentors, join business groups, watch videos like this one. And if GLP-1 clinics specifically caught your eye, we've got more information for you. I'll drop a link below in the description where you can book a free call with our team. We help investors and entrepreneurs purchase brick and mortar GLP-1 weight loss clinics nationwide. No franchise fees, no nonsense. You stay independent and you keep 100% of the profits. Plus, we put together a free guide called Fat Profits. It breaks down exactly how the GLP-1 clinic business works, how much it costs, how long it takes to start making money, all in plain, simple language. You can download that guide using the link below in the description. So if you're ready to escape the 9 to 5 grind, build real wealth for yourself and your family, and own a business people actually need, this is your moment. Don't wait until next year and say, I wish I had started in 2025. Hit that like button and check out more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. From my lips to your ears, I love you. I'll see you next time.